Example 3, this is the last example for this lesson, for this tutorial. A ball is thrown horizontally, again horizontally, so that you are at x components equal to 2 meter per second from a cliff. So again, uy become 0. Assuming that air system may be neglected, what is the speed and direction? Okay, it's mentioned here what is the speed and direction. Direction here is to represent the angle because this is a vector quantity. Speed here means that it doesn't mention speed in x or y component. It just mention speed. So means that we need to find a magnitude of the ball after the 5-second later. So time is given. So time is given already 5 seconds. So the initial velocity for the x component is 20 meter per second until the final velocity also same. So there are no sx, there are no sy given, but the question asks for the speed here. What is the speed? Okay, in between x and y components. So what is the speed here? Okay. So since the question asks for the magnitude of the speed, so means that we need to find the speed. Okay, v. Okay, the magnitude of v here. The magnitude means that the v is always considered as positive. So before we find the magnitude here, we need to find the vx and vy as well. So from there, we need to use the equation number 2, which equation number 1, sorry, v equal to u plus at. Because of, for equation number 2, v squared u squared plus 2as, we cannot use this equation, and the equation number 3 because of there are no displacement given. That is why we use the equation number 1. So for x components, okay, ax is 0 because we know that in x component initial velocity equal to final velocity, which is equal to 20 meter per second. So we got the vx already. Okay, for vy, okay, we know that for initial velocity of y is 0, a we need to replace by negative g or negative 9.81 because the projectile motion is happen under the influence of gravity. So we just substitute 0 here, a substitute by the negative 9.81, and t already given 5 seconds, so we can find the vy. As you can see here, the answer is negative, which is proved by the derivation that I just informed you in the lecture. Okay, because it's happened in quadrant number 4, or the object are dropped or moving in a negative y direction. That is why the answer should be negative here. So then after that, you just substitute in the equation of the magnitude. So vx squared plus with vy squared, so square root of. So then you will get the equation of the answer of the velocity or speed here, and the answer should be you need to put a positive 1 because this is a magnitude. So then the second one, the question asks for the direction. So the direction, you need to use this equation, tangent theta equal to vy divided by vx. So we just substitute the equation here, shift tangent, so you will get the answer. Okay, so then the answer, suppose the answer is negative. Okay, it doesn't matter you put negative or not because negative here represent in what quadrant is the object lies down. Okay, we know that it's happened in quadrant number 4. Okay, so means that the negative here represent the it lies on the quadrant number 4. So the answer is 67 degree. Alright, thank you everyone for listening.